Seal in freshness. Keep chips, crackers, baking supplies, and even frozen foods from going stale or getting freezer burn. Seal opened bags with these clips and keep the air out and freshness in. Premium quality. Never worry about the clips coming undone. The springs have a strong grip to hold the clips closed. Magnet clips. The magnets on the backs of these clips make them ideal for use displaying artwork or notes on the refrigerator. And they'll never get lost in a drawer if they're on the fridge. Assorted colors. Keep your pantry and fridge organized with the 4 assorted colors in each pack: red, green, purple, and blue. Dimensions: 3.15 inches by 0.8 inches by 1.5 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I was a little concerned about the design of these clips as the area each grips is small compared to a conventional bar-type clip. But they work great, and since they're small a second clip could be added, though I've not needed to. I am forever losing or breaking clips, and the generous number of these sold allows me to use them on anything that might need one and still have an ample supply. Well designed, made and a good value.